Hello YouTubers, this is Michael Fuller. Today we're going to unbox or unpackage Basspro order that I did. I got a Christmas card, gift card, and spent it and bought some things that I thought I'd need to stock up on for the fishing season. So let me go ahead and open the first package here. One of those bubble wrap envelopes. So let's set that aside. There's only, I think, 2 items or 1 item in that one. Yeah, looks like just 1 item in that one. I don't see any others, so I'm gonna set that aside. We're gonna go ahead and open this box here. Hope you guys are having a good day and the snow is finally melting. We ended up with this big snowstorm. We basically got 11 inches of snow. Now we're on here. I should have done it. There we go. Let me just go ahead and cut both sides so that it's open freely. There we go. All right. Let me set this in the forward so I can get the contents out. Okay, here's one thing. Some paper. A bunch of items here. I think that's it. So let me scatter it out so I can kind of see what I got here. Well, I can kind of keep it organized. All right, we're going to start with the VMC Wacky Weedless hooks. I got those from Basspro. And these are the 3/0. You get 4 in the package, and it's got the resin closed eye, as you can see. These are really good, you know, for fishing weedless. If you wanted to use stick baits or anything, you know, trick worms and whatever you're trying to fish with. But I bought some of these because I was getting low on some of my other hooks and I need to stock up, so I thought I'd spend this gift card getting some hooks. So the next one is something different. This is the Tokyo Rig HD Wide Gap, and as you can see on the back, it looks like that when you use it. So trying to I'd have to open up the package to, you know, get you to see it, but it's basically 1-piece solid ring. It's connected to a rolling swivel that allows the bait to move naturally, like it says on the back. So it's definitely different. I don't have any of these, so this is something new I thought I'd get and try out, just to see how versatile they are and see how the Tokyo rig works, because I've never fished that style before. So it'll be something new for me to try out. If you guys ever try it, let me know how it works and if it's good. Next one is I got Basspro XPS Swiveling drop shot hooks. And this is the size 2/0 and a 10-pack. It's got several in it. Figured I'd get different variation of size. That way I can load up on 2/0, 3/0, 4/0, and I think I even got as high as maybe a 5/0. Maybe. I'll have to look at the rest of them here. I got some Wicked Wacky Gamakatsu hooks. So those will be nice. And then I got the EWG Monster Worm hooks. I think those were size 4/0. No, those are 6/0. yeah, I knew I had something that was pretty big. So that one is 6/0. So that's probably, I think the highest I had stocked up previously was up to 5. I don't think I ever had any 6s, so this would be something different too, my tackle, terminal tackle. So the next one, I love these. These just, the Superline spring lock. These just kind of keep everything intact, especially with stick baits and, you know, minnows, whatever you want to use on here, creature baits. It just keeps everything intact, and you can twist it in the head of the bait. It just works really well. I love these. This is in the 3/0. Then I got, let's see what these are. Nedlock HD Green Pumpkin 5-pack. You can see on the bottom there what those look like. The tape's blocking the view of most of them, but you can kind of see right there the way they look. Those are definitely some smaller ones just to have on hand. Next pack I got is weighted Superline spring lock hooks, and these are 3/0 as well as the other. So I must have got 2 packs. So same thing as before, just a, you know, a little different package. The next one is, I can't see for the sticker. I think these are the drop shot hooks. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's in the 3/0. And we got one more package, and these are what are these? I think these are the drop shot as well. Could be wrong. Can't see I can't see what's behind the sticker, but I can pull it off, I can tell you. Here we go. Oh, not drop shot. These are the offset Shank worm hooks. My bad for that. It's 3/0, and these other ones, I want to make sure those were drop shot. I hate being wrong. I was going to say I like being wrong, but I hate being wrong on at least what I'm trying to tell someone. So we're gonna open these up and see here. Pretty sure I'm right on this one though. I see the word shot, so yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, this sticker is beyond. Easy to rip off. There we go. Now these are called split shot / drop shot. So I was wrong. I was close. You give me a little credit. I got one part of it right, but it's split shot / drop shot. It's definitely different. And these are in 3/0 hooks size, and you get 6 of them. So yeah, those are definitely different. I thought they were purely drop shot, but now they got a split shot / drop shot. So I figure I would, you know, let you see what I ordered from Basspro. Some of these hooks I've never used before, as far as like the Tokyo rig, and I didn't have the smaller net rig, and I had some drop shot, but I don't think I had the split shot / drop shot. So about 3 of these sets are different from what I've, you know, bought before. They keep changing and adding just other hooks that you can use to play around with, which is really cool. That's why it's nice just to stay up on your game of, you know, fishing equipment as well as terminal tackle, baits, because it just changes from year to year, because they add so many more things you can use that's even better than what you've used previously. So it's pretty cool. I hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and a thumbs up, and God bless y'all.